Hello, welcome to my channel. I would like to show you how to knit a super easy fake Fair Isle, and it's great for beginners. You only need to know how to knit and purl. So this is what I've done, and now I've finished with my yellow row, and yellow in this case will be my background color. So now I will do row where I alternate purl and knit for the whole row. I finished that row and I want to introduce purple, and this time I'm knitting on circular needles, by the way, but you can do it on flat as well. The whole row will be just knitted, so just knit, knit, knit all stitches. And that's our row 2. Now I go back to the yellow color and to make it fake Fair Isle, I now need to look at what I did in my previous yellow row. So last time I did purl as my first one, so now I need to do knit, and again I will alternate knitting and purl. So knit, purl, all the way through. And on my 4th row, again on my circular needles, I will knit the whole row. And that's how you create this fake Fair Isle effect. It's basically type of a moss stitch where you alternate color every row, and you have one row where you alternate knit and purl, then you in your second color knit the whole row, then you alternate again in opposite way, and then again you knit the whole row. So this is what it looks like. And if you want to do it flat, not on a circular needles, you just have to realize where you are in the pattern. So this is what it needs to look from the right side, but you could just go back and on the wrong side just do the whole row of purl to achieve the same effect. I hope it makes sense, and thank you for watching. Bye!